guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do the weekly budget last week in February. February week 4. So the only person who actually got paid this week was my husband. He got his unemployment. That came in on 2/23 and he got $620.82. I got my check in the mail from being the deputy treasurer. I went and worked a few hours and was helping the new treasurer. So I got paid for that. That was $112.50. Then we had some other incomes. So for other, we had $566. That was reimbursement from the union for my glasses and things like that. My glasses, my contacts, my eye appointment. And then my sister paid her portion of the phone bill. And then we had to move some money over from savings. So from savings, we ended up pulling $1,750 in order to cover everything. So grand total, if we add all of this up, our income for the week that we're working with is $3,163.32. Okay, so let's go ahead and get down here and let's write down our starting balance was $46.47. Income was the $3,163.32. Next, let's go up here to Chase. And our starting balance from last week was $750. Then let's go ahead and track our spending. So on 2/19 at Speedway, my husband got gas in my car for me. I was not feeling good that day, so he went and got gas for me and went and picked up some medicine for me from the pharmacy. So gas in my car, he actually filled my car all the way up. That was $34.47. And then he also ran to CVS. That was $3.77. Because the reason he filled my car up for me was we were having a summit, is what they called it. But we had a big group where everybody where I work, we all came together on Monday. It was President's Day, I believe. I believe it's President's Day, and we were closed on that day, so we all got together for this. And so I picked up dinner on the way home. So on 2/20, we got Mulan Express, which is my favorite Chinese food. So it was $23.47. Then on 2/20, some things that I ordered from Amazon came through on the card. And this was for home. This was for the bathroom. Some things that we ordered. And this one was $9.53. Then also on 2/20, I went to Meijer and I got some shaving cream that I was out of, and I got some washer fluid because my car ran out of washer fluid that day. So all of this went into other, and it was $9.73. Then on 2/21, Dane went and got his truck washed. That was $8. We also did Taco Bell. That was $14.52. This was Tuesday. We had the day off, so we were, running the roads, doing things. We did Taco Bell for lunch. And then he picked up some stuff at Home Depot. We got paint. What else did we get? We got paint supplies. I think that was it. We're almost done with the bathroom. Then on to the next project. Got to get as many things done as we can while he's laid off. So Home Depot. So this goes into the home category. And that was $97.97. Not cheap. And then on 221, we got Little Caesars. Christine was really wanting it. And that was $16.74. And then also on 221, some more Amazon things. Oop. This was also, this one was under other. My husband has a piece of gym equipment in the basement that he uses, and he wanted a rope for it, like a rope attachment. So got that. That was $12.71. And then on 222, some more of the Amazon stuff for the bathroom came through. So like I ordered all of our hardware, and then a few decorations for in there. And that was $95.67. And then Dane had to make another trip on the 23rd to Home Depot. Like, we are single-handedly keeping Home Depot in business, I feel like. That also goes into the home category. And that was $90.14. And that was it for the Chase card for week 4 of February. So if we go ahead and add all of this up with the starting balance, we get a balance of $1,166.72. I did go ahead and pay this card off completely. So we paid $1,166.72, leaving a balance of $0 to start March with. So like I said, I waited until the end of the month to pull that money out of the savings account. So let's go ahead now and go over the Capital One. Not a lot on that one as usual. Starting balance was the $200. Then on 222, Netflix came through. We did turn off our Hulu and Disney bundle. I put it on pause, and then we'll decide if we want to like turn it off completely, but I put it on pause for the next 3 months. But that Netflix was $15.49. That was the only charge we had on the Capital One card this week. So grand total, it was $215.49. Now, the Netflix was still pending when I made the payment, so I was not able to pay that one, as you guys probably know if you've seen any of my other videos. So I paid $200, leaving me with a balance of $15.49. All right. Not a lot going on this week. Like, basically just paying everything off, starting the next month off fresh, because this is kind of like the last week of February. There's a few days that will fall into next week's budget, but this was it for February's budgets. So on 223, I paid on the Visa. That was $144.91. And then on 224, I made the payments on the cards. So we have Chase for $1,166.72 and the Capital One for the $200. So if we go ahead and add those three up, sorry, went all glitchy on me there. But if we add all of those up, it's going to be $1,511.63. So we'll go over here and into the payment section. we've got $1,511.63. And if you've seen my other budgets, you know that I like to carry over the money that we need for the beginning of the next month to pay for our mortgage and our property payment. So that's why there's such a large balance at the end. You know, otherwise I could have just pulled like $150 out and called it good. But the reality of the situation is we need that money in there to pay those things. Also to pay our AAA, which is our insurance. That'll be coming out later this month as well. So that leaves us with a balance, though, of $1,698.16. So this will cover, like I said, this will cover our mortgage, this will cover our property payment, and AAA. And then I think we got like a couple of dollars left. Not very much. So, yep, that is it for February week 4. I hope this kind of shows you guys what I was talking about taking the money out at the end of the month from the savings. This is not how we normally do things. Like on a normal weekly basis, when my husband's working, we don't take money out of our savings account. We usually just put money in, unless it's for a big purchase. But that's why we have that money in there, is to cover us when he's laid off. And I know we do spend quite a bit. Like, we've spent quite a lot on home stuff. But it's a matter of time management at that point. Like, we only have so much time. He's either working and making money, or he has time and he can do projects and we spend money. So it's kind of a toss-up sometimes. But yes, this is what we're working with right now. I hope you guys will stick with me and kind of see where we go when my husband does go back to work. And you can kind of see a little bit more what we normally do with our budget. But it kind of shows you where we can squeak our way through, you know. And I feel like that's informative as well. But I hope you guys get something from my videos, and I really want to let you know that I appreciate each and every one of you who takes the time to watch my video. You make me feel like I'm seen, and it helps to keep me motivated. And so I very much appreciate that. You guys are the ones that are keeping me going with my budget and keeping track of everything. And I greatly appreciate you for that. All right, if you have not, hit that subscribe button and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. All right, guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.